Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
I look like a mega good. We're going to the mall and I'm gonna buy my camera. My very first camera. This is the Picanca. This is Polish restaurant. It's right here next to Dubai Mall. We might eat here later. The food is really, really good. It's right here. I need to record my outfit. Wait. This is shorts, whatever. Zara. And my shoes. And my backpack. And my glasses. Yes. And I'm so embarrassed. Cool. This is simulator. So if you've never been in a cockpit, like in a flight deck, you can try here. And Dubai Mall. I don't know what's the price, but it's expensive. You can Google it. Going to Jumbo. It's gonna be this one I'm taking right now. And with the insurance. Anyway, I'm super excited. And it said it's for the vloggers. I'm trying to be a vlogger, so let's see.
I'm trying to be Ada now, but it's not working. Anyway, she's my friend, she's leaving, and I'm leaving too. I'm not thinking about being famous.
I feel embarrassed instead of being excited. Got my new camera.
Hello!
Oh my god, we had some drama and I had a heart attack for like 1 second, but right now everything is okay.
Look at her eye.
Okay, so I need to cancel my Apple appointment, but we're gonna go and eat. So sunny today. Okay, so during the day they clean actually the water here, so for the night it can be clean. This is my tourist, Anya, and this is Burj Khalifa. And this is me. Came to club. Cheers, Anya. Super hot outside. The club barbecue looks like that during the day. Super hot outside, that's why we decided to stay inside. We just got our food, salad, and what is it? Shrimps. Okay, going back home. I had a lot of stuff to do. I wasn't talking to you actually for last 2 days because I was busy with planning my trip. I'll tell you a little bit more maybe when I'm at home, because really it's pretty busy right now with arranging all of this stuff. By the way, I'm going to Hawaii. It's noisy here, I'll talk to you later. I just arrived to my accommodation, collect my uniform. So maybe I'll do some groceries now and go to my apartment. This is the camera I got. Sony ZV-1 for vloggers. They gave me gifts as well. So this memory card, 128 gigabyte. Give me power bank, which is cool because I'm going for my leave, so I will need it. One more thing they gave me is this Sony headphones, which I don't need because they are too big for me. But anyway, good to have it, right? It's really small. I feel really good that everything comes together as a package. You don't have to buy everything separately, but yeah, let me play with this one a little bit. And later, probably I need to plan my trip. My new baby. Hey guys, welcome on first day. That's the first time using this camera. I still need to play with it a little bit and I still need to go through the settings because the lighting is weird. On Sunday, I'm gonna be operating the flight to Beirut, and 7 hours after landing, I will be in a plane to LA. So that's gonna be the first stop. I didn't record a lot because I was pretty busy this week with planning because it's like last minute decision that I'm going there. I was recording the video on my shoe boxes. But anyway, the camera died. I have some videos already recorded. I need to recharge it and then continue the video. I'm heading to the nail salon right now. It's been like 2 years since I've done them professionally. I'm going for vacation, so I want to have like nice strong nails. I think it's my time to shine. Where do I press stop? Okay, I just came back from the nail salon, so this is the final result. I just did French. I expected something else. I'm gonna make dinner, I'm gonna finish editing the video, maybe I will upload it tomorrow, we'll see, and I will finish planning my trip. I still need to figure out the attractions that we want to see in Hawaii. Okay, I have to mention this, like, look at this potato, look at this thing that I have. This is ridiculous. I went to the nail salon like that, and later I did some groceries. Do I care? No, not really. I think we're gonna rent the car. We're having a couch surfer in Honolulu, so we're not gonna pay for accommodation. It's super expensive in Hawaii, so be prepared for that. We can save some money on something, then we will do that. I would rather spend more money on attractions rather than sleeping somewhere or accommodation, hotel, whatever. So yeah, right now it's 10:30 p.m. and I'm still sitting and planning my trip. It's been like that last few days. I haven't slept till 2 or 3 a.m. because I was planning everything with Natalia. She lives in US and I live in UAE. There is a time when we only can, you know, talk with each other. But yeah, I will keep working on that. I will still work on my video. I will try to finish editing today, and that's how the rest of my day is gonna look like. Last time driving my ass. We bought the goodies. I bought new glasses. Like that. I need a new one because I broke mine last week. I bought the magnets because I'm going for my vacation, and then I wanted to give something from Dubai to my couch surfers because I'm not gonna pay for the accommodation, any hotel, hostel, nothing in the US. So I'm only gonna be using the app couch surfing. So I found the hosts, 3 different hosts. In New York City, I'm gonna stay in my friend's place. So that's good. I'm not gonna pay for any accommodation when I'm on my vacation. So I just wanted to bring something from me, you know, so they can remember me. I told you already. Yes. How they do that? Oh my god. Okay, I think.
Yeah, almost done.
Yummies! I love cheese. I love wine. I love her.
I love you too.
We're trying to find a movie, but with Netflix is always a struggle.
Yogi? Ma tak na imię?
Znaczy nie, to jest nazwa, że on jest tym jogikiem, jak to ja mówię. I chcę po prostu nawet zapłacić za to.
Okay, so this is my outfit. The same shirt, the same blouse as yesterday because I don't want to do the laundry before I go. Biker shorts, my shoes, watch and bracelet, my backpack, and glasses. Let's go then. Okay guys, so I just got ready. I'm gonna go and do my PCR test because it's needed for tomorrow's flight. I'm going to LA tomorrow. Today we have Sunday. Oh my god, everything. I'm jumping around the topics right now. But anyway, tomorrow I have a flight to LA. I'm starting my vacation, so I need to have a PCR test, valid PCR test. So we need to do it now. It's already 12 p.m. and I think my parking was till 12 p.m. So I gotta go, like I'm late with everything as always. We're gonna go to the hospital. We're gonna do the PCR test. I might run around the city as well because I need to do some stuff before I go. And yeah, we're gonna start packing. It's gonna be super busy today. I have a lot of things to do and I woke up with a really bad headache after yesterday. But anyway, yesterday evening was super fun. But let me go right now. Wow, she's so fancy. She put that clip on. Wow. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's super duper hot right now. It's 12:05. So let's check if we're gonna have a ticket waiting for us. Which car does she has? Anyway, I'm gonna be driving Anya's car. No ticket. We were not charged for not paying for the parking. I mean, we paid, and here's the proof. This is the ticket from yesterday, but we just forgot about 1 hour or 2 hours, like to extend it. Okay, I've just done my PCR test. The place looks like, I don't know if you can even see. Where is the car? Like I do the test every single week, so nothing new about it. Okay, so the PCR test is done. Right now I'm gonna go to the mall. I need to buy a bucket hat or any kind of hat. Anya, she doesn't feel well. She was supposed to be with me right now, but she didn't feel well, so she stayed at home. She told me that she will join me later in the evening, but for now I'm just gonna do all of the stuff alone. I need to give her back the car because she left it yesterday. She gave it to me so I can do all of this stuff before I go. I need to hurry because I didn't do anything, nothing at home, no packing, like zero. This is my water. I didn't drink, I barely drink today. It's super hot. Anyway, let go. Okay, so why I was not recording a lot this week, it's because I was busy with planning. It's not an easy job to plan a 2 weeks trip, especially when we'll be doing like 4 flights during this time, because I will be flying around the islands and from the island to the island, whatever. Everything is planned right now. We still don't know about the transport that we're gonna use in Hawaii because everything is sold out. But that's what might happen when you plan your trip a week before you go somewhere. So yeah, somebody's watching me right now when I'm vlogging. But anyway, when I'm vlogging, I'm a vlogger now. Whatever. Anyway, no worries. We know people there. Let's say we're gonna stay in Couchsurfer's place. So we'll see. You don't have to have like 100% plan. You know, you will see once you get there. You can always do that, or you can ask people once you get to the place. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, let's go. I'm going because somebody just parked here next to me. Made it. I only bought 2 things. Dry shampoo, ice cream that is all melted, and that's it. I didn't eat anything yet. It's 3 p.m. I still have a headache, but I'm heading home right now. Probably I will order something to eat and I need to pack. All I did was a PCR test, so at least it's done and we are waiting for the results right now. Heading home now. Okay, so this is what I ordered. This is a tomato soup. That's my salad, some Coke. That's the place from where I order. I tried soup already. It's really good. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna stop recording right now. What to take, what to leave. Help me, please. I'm not sure if I'm gonna close my carry-on bag, but yeah, we'll try. This, I need to decide if I wanna take it or not. I mean, don't consider this one because I'm taking it for sure. But yeah, about the clothes, if I still need them or not. I found out that actually I can have 1 more bag, so it's really helpful. Probably I will take this small backpack because I will carry everything here during my trip. Every time I travel as a passenger, I give something for the crew for their hard work. Hi. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna record anything else today because I need to wake up around 5 a.m. tomorrow. I think I'm gonna finish this video right here. I hope you like it, hope you enjoy like seeing me preparing for my vacation. Thank you so much for watching, hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below and subscribe my channel. Okay, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!